This HP laptop had a broken screen, and we're going to demonstrate how to fix this. First you need to do is remove power in your battery. And then what you're going to do is take these two screws off here at the bottom. And take this cover off. You can use a nail or a pick or anything, and this cover will come off. And there's two screws down here at the bottom. From here you're going to take and you're going to merge your finger in between the frame and the glass. And you're going to pull out. You do this all the way down. Same way on this side, and that's the top. Now you want to bend the screen forward so you can pull this up. Now all that's left is taking this screw here, this screw, these three screws here off, and these three screws here off. And your back lid will fall to the floor. And then you're going to bend your screen forward, and there's going to be a connector on the back, and we'll get to that point in just a second. So now when you got the screen, I just took the top screw off here and the two down below. I didn't take the third one that's in the connector, the brace here, and you were able to move the back panel enough that you can take the three screws off the side. And here you want to take, and you're going to peel back the camera section there, and then this, all it has is a tape that it sits on, and you peel the tape back. I'm going to peel it up from the back side as well, and we want to gently pull that out. You don't want to rip it up, you want to pull it out like that. And then when you get the new screen in, you will just button it back up, slide the connector back in, put your screws on the side, put your bezel back on, and you're good to go. After I put the new screen in, I'll show you that it works. Now that everything's back put together, your computer should be good as new. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.